In today's video, I'll teach you how to remove Google account from YouTube app. So first of all, launch open YouTube on your device. You can see over here YouTube has been opened. Tap on the profile icon that you can see at the bottom right corner of your screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to this kind of interface. At top, you'll be able to find various options over here. Tap on this option Google account that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you'll be led to the Google account interface. Keep in mind, in order to remove the Google account from the YouTube app, you'll have to remove it from your device. So simply tap on the Google account that is selected right now. Now once you do that, you'll be able to see all the accounts logged into your device. Tap on this option manage accounts on this device that you can see on the screen. Now after you do that, you can see over here you'll be led to the passwords and accounts interface. You'll be able to see all the accounts that has been logged into your device. So simply tap on the Google account that you would like to remove. Now tap on this option remove account that you can see on the screen. Now this kind of pop-up will appear. Tap on this option remove account. Removing this account will delete all of its messages, contacts and personal information. Now after you do that, that particular account will be removed from your device and the YouTube app. So that is how you remove Google account from YouTube app. I hope you found this video helpful. Thank you for watching.